how to redirect HTTP to HTTPS on cPanel. This is a step-by-step video so you can go ahead and follow easily. Now as of the moment, I am inside my cPanel right here. You can just go ahead and navigate through the files category, and once inside, you want to click on the file manager. Inside file manager, you want to head over to the public HTML right here, and inside you want to click on the settings. You want to make sure that the home directory is checked and also the show hidden files. Go ahead and click on save, and you want to edit this specific file right here, which is the htaccess. Go ahead and click on edit, and you simply want to paste this code right here, and right after you want to go ahead and click on the save changes, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.